I'm Jen with Getaway today. Thanks for joining us. I'm here in Cozumel and I'm excited to be exploring the new Explorean that is new to Getaway today. It's an amazing property and I wanted to show you a little bit about the room. It's part of the La Collection family, and of course you've been probably to the Fiesta Americanas. We sell a lot of those, but this is a little bit of a boutique hotel, smaller property, about 52 rooms. It has no TVs in the rooms. It's where you want to go if you want to unwind. And I feel like we've unwound. It is beautiful. It feels like you're in the jungle. Another cool thing about this property is it includes your excursions. It includes all the fun and gets you to explore all of Cozumel. That's the whole concept. And there's 2 of these properties currently, and there's going to actually be 2 more opening this year. So again, it's a very popular brand. It's something that we're excited to be highlighting and showcasing. But let's show you around the room. So first when you walk in, this is so fun. They welcomed us. Feeling like a VIP. Very, very awesome. Very spacious and very new. It was actually part of the Fiesta Americana, but they completely gutted it out and rebuilt it. You can see the bathroom. It's very spacious, very modern decor with that touch of the outside kind of coming in so that you do feel like you're part of the jungle. You've got the bathroom in here and a beautiful walk-in shower that's very spacious, and definitely with the rain shower head, which is always so comfortable and fun. So definitely beautiful room. If you walk down now to the rest of the room, it has kind of a 2-story feel, and you can see where they don't have the TV. What they've done instead is they've really opened it up to the outside. So we'll open the window. You can see you're right here in the jungle of Cozumel. You've got a beautiful king-size bed. It's a resort that families can stay in. They usually recommend age 10 or older, just so they can do all of the activities. But if you have a younger one that can swim and is really, agile, likes to do a lot, then you could definitely stay here too. This is the room with the king bed. They also have a room with 2 double beds, and they also have connector rooms, so a lot of options for family. But we'll go back to this view. I've got to open it up. This is one of the things that definitely was a highlight when I walked in, is you feel like you are in the jungle. It's completely relaxing. Notice you can't hear anything. The hotel is sold out this evening. We haven't seen a soul. It's very just relaxing, that ultimate, if you want to just escape and unwind, this is a great spot for you or for your family. Definitely really nice. It's all inclusive, so you get all of your own meals. You even can do your own drinks. They do have a bartender, but if you want to mix your own, that's an option. They have fresh order smoothies in the morning. You've got a small buffet, but it's more kind of a cooked order, farm to table type of feel. Delicious. We've been trying some of the food. It's really good. They have really good, their welcome drinks like this. Watermelon with basil, delicious drink. So let's go back into the room. You've got, again, just really pretty decor, very comfortable, very relaxing. So if you are visiting Cozumel and want a different experience where you really get to know the area and get to explore, we would definitely recommend you staying here. I'm Jen with Getaway today. Thanks so much for joining us.